Hello, I am Chef Erica Drum, and I am so delighted to be part of this. What it means to be Irish at Christmas for me is all about cooking. It's cooking with family, it's making chocolate truffles with my mum on Christmas Eve to give us presents, it's prepping canapes for the guests at the Christmas morning drinks, it's the turkey outside in its freezer box, and going for drinks in the pub and having Guinness the night before beside a fire. Oh, it's just so nice. Or Bailey's coffee. I'd always have a Bailey's coffee at Christmas time. I have included one of my favourite canapé recipes that is a winner on Christmas morning with drinks with all our local family and friends. It's a pinwheel and it could not be easier, guys, so make sure you give it a go. All of you away for Christmas, I wish you a heartfelt happy Christmas all the way from Dublin, and best wishes for the new year. Lots of love.